In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Supertags in Logseq. By the end, you'll know how to set up a tag that automatically brings the right fields to every related note, so your book tracking or any repeatable workflow stays tidy and consistent. Start by opening Logseq. Once it's loaded, head to your journal. This is a convenient place to create new pages on the fly, and it keeps your workflow simple as you set things up. Now we're going to create the super tag page for books. In a new journal block, type 2 square brackets, then the word book, like this. Double bracket, book, double bracket. When you confirm that, Logseq will open or create the book page. This page is going to act as the template-like foundation for any note you tag as a book. On the book page, add the properties that every book note should have. In Logseq, properties are written as key, 2 colons, then a value. For a super tag definition, you can write the keys and leave the values blank so they become fillable fields later. For example, you might add lines like author, title, status, started, finished, and rating. Keep each property on its own line. You can include other fields that matter to you, such as genre or notes. The key idea is that whatever you add here becomes the standard set of fields that will show up whenever you use this tag. Once your properties are in place, you're ready to use the super tag anywhere in your graph. Back in your journal or on any page, type a hashtag followed by the tag name #book. You can also use the double bracket link book if you prefer. Both connect to the same page. As soon as you apply #book to a note or page, Logseq will surface the properties you defined on the book page so you can quickly fill in the details for that specific book. This keeps all your book notes consistent and makes them much easier to search and review later. A couple of practical tips as you work. Use the exact same capitalization for the tag each time to avoid accidentally creating duplicates. Keep property names consistent so filters and queries stay reliable. And when you add the tag to a note, fill in the properties right away while the information is fresh. That's it. You open Logseq, used your journal to create the book page with double brackets, define the properties you want every book note to share, and then used #book to apply those properties wherever you need them. With this super tag in place, your book notes will be structured, searchable, and fast to update every time.